To properly shampoo, condition, and deep condition your human hair wig or hairpiece, you will need Jon Renau Argan Smooth Luxury Shampoo, Jon Renau Argan Smooth Luxury Conditioner, Jon Renau Argan Treatment Mist, a wide tooth comb, a plastic cap, a blow dryer, and a towel. Before washing your human hair wig or hairpiece, gently remove any tangles with your wide tooth comb. Place hand inside cap and hold at the top of the wig under cool running water. Gently lather the hair with a small amount of Jon Renau Argan Smooth Luxury Shampoo while making sure that the hair is traveling in the same direction. Do not rub the hair as this may cause tangling. Rinse thoroughly with cool water until the water runs clear. Next, apply Jon Renau Argan Smooth Luxury Conditioner, avoiding the base of the wig. Applying conditioner to the base of the cap may weaken the knots. With your fingers, work conditioner through the ends of the hair for about 3 to 5 minutes. Rinse thoroughly in cool water until the water runs clear. Every 3 to 5 washes, your wig will need an additional step to maintain the vitality of your human hair wig. To deep condition your wig, mix 2 to 3 tablespoons of Argan Smooth Luxury Conditioner with 4 to 5 pumps of Jon Renau Argan Smooth Treatment Mist and blend together in your hands. Use more or less of each depending on the length of your hair. Apply treatment from mid-length through ends and gently comb hair while using your wide tooth comb. Remember to stay away from the cap. Cover with a plastic cap and apply low heat using a blow dryer. Allow products to process for about 20 minutes. Use cool water to rinse your wig or hair system completely. Wrap your wig in a towel and gently pat dry to remove excess water. Your wig is now ready to blow dry and style. Please see our blow dry series for blow dry and styling options.